How to save all Snapchat memories. So if you want to save all of your Snapchat memories, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Snapchat from where you'll be able to take various Snapchat photos or videos. In the first step, you have to tap over the photos like option at the left bottom corner. And here you'll be able to see all of your memories and also your photos available in this section. At the right upper corner, right next to memories, you can see there is a clock like option or the tick with encircle. You just have to tap over there, and here is select all option with the highlighted, and you just have to go for select all, and all of your memories has been selected. Now you have to tap over the export option right next to favorite at the left bottom corner. And here are the share to option, which contains the link, WhatsApp, Instagram, and many more. Simply swipe over a little bit and go for download option over here. If you tap over there, it will be exported on your gallery, and by doing that you will be able to save all of your Snapchat memories. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.